Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Chris, and I'm happy to be your instructor in this course. I know you want to get started as fast as possible, and therefore we will start immediately. To ensure the best possible learning experience, we are now going to set up the Snowflake account together, so that you have the chance to practice and follow along with me in this course. This process will be super easy. You just have to go to snowflake.com. And in here, we find at the top right corner, Start for Free, on which we can click. It will take us to this page. Snowflake provides 30-day free trial version. And in this 30-day free trial, we get a credit worth of $400. This is enough for our case. We can just fill in our first name, last name, email, and all of these related information. Once we are done with this, we can just select Continue. Now we have to choose our Snowflake edition. This is required to be able to access all of the features. For example, the Standard edition has a little bit less features than Enterprise version. With Business Critical, we have all of the features that we can imagine. Of course, the pricing will be a little bit more expensive for Business Critical edition, and we'll talk about the pricing and how this edition plays into the pricing later on. Let us go with Business Critical so that we can have all of the features for practice and learn. In the cloud provider in our case, we can just, since this is just an account for us to practice, select Amazon AWS. And in here we can also just choose the location. In our case, we can just go with US East, Northern Virginia, and of course we can again check this box. If you want to set this account up for productive environment, then you should also consider things like which cloud provider you are already using, where is your data located, where is the application, or where are all of the users located. But in our case, it will be completely fine if we just select AWS and US East. Afterwards, we can click on Get Started, and if we see also this little survey, we can just skip or choose the answers that are appropriate. Once we are signed up, we will have to activate the account by accessing link, shared through email, which we provided during sign up. Also, we have to be aware that this is just a temporary link and this will expire in 72 hours. So what we are going to do is just now click here to activate, and then we can set up the username and the password. Now, click on Get Started to complete the sign up process. Maybe in your case this looks even a little bit different, which is not a problem at all. If you see something like this, you can just click on Skip for now. By default Snowflake has chosen Dark Theme, because I selected Operating System Theme as Dark. I will just leave it here, at the default. And here we can now get started with Snowflake. So in the next lectures, we want to dive a little bit deeper into this. See you in the next lecture.